me, one of the biggest gifts Carmel has blessed me with is the strengthening of my faith. I attended a Catholic grade school and felt I had a solid foundation of my faith. Coming to Carmel allowed me to open up and explore my faith in more ways than I can describe. The chapel was a huge part of this growth. Starting my freshman year, my religion teachers would take my class down to the chapel to what students here know and love, Open Line Fridays. This was our chance to ask any and all questions regarding our faith. The chapel provided us with a private and intimate space to explore and learn more about our religion. It allowed my classmates and me to bond through our questions and dig deep into all aspects of our faith as we grew older. The chapel created a respectful and comfortable atmosphere, allowing everyone in class to speak openly and participate in these important conversations. One of my biggest loves for Carmel is its sense of community. This past year, there was a week in specific where the anxieties of COVID were getting to me. I was grateful to come into school for 2 days, but missed seeing my friends here all of the time. I had just finished my spirituality class, and one of my close friends pulled me aside and invited me to attend the Power of Praise retreat here in the chapel. I hadn't been back to the chapel since the beginning of the pandemic and was so excited to finally return. That night, I walked into the chapel not really sure what to expect. There was a group of about 10 seniors in total. I was blown away by how peaceful and calming the chapel was at night. Being able to come to the chapel to listen, pray, reflect, and participate in adoration was exactly what I needed that night. Not only did the chapel give me a sense of community, but it was also a light for me in the darkness of the pandemic. It stood as a testimony that my faith could continue to grow and prevail even through the sufferings of the pandemic. The chapel was a gift for me that night that allowed me to be reminded of the importance of prayer and how prayer can bring the community together. I enjoyed getting to pray with my peers and catch up with some friends that I hadn't seen in a while. The chapel will always have a special place in my heart and hold so many wonderful memories I have made here at Carmel. Thank you.